Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the One More Sonoflow SE headphones. These are budget-friendly noise-canceling headphones packed with some impressive features. Let's see how they stack up. Starting off with the design, the One More Sonoflow SE headphones have a minimalistic look with an all-plastic construction. The ear cups are padded with faux leather, offering decent comfort for extended use. However, the aluminum extenders feel a bit flimsy and could be more robust. Moving on to sound quality, these headphones impress with their 40mm DLC dynamic drivers. They deliver punchy lows and clear mids, making them suitable for a variety of music genres. The default studio EQ setting provides a balanced sound profile, though you can tweak it with 11 other EQ presets or customize your own with a 10-band equalizer. Now, let's talk about ANC. The Sonoflow SE does a commendable job at blocking out ambient noise, especially in lower frequency ranges. It's effective for reducing background chatter and engine noise, though it struggles a bit with high-frequency sounds like sirens or crying babies. Battery life is where these headphones really shine. They offer an impressive 50 hours with ANC on and a whopping 70 hours with ANC off. Quick charging is also excellent, with just a 5-minute charge providing 5 hours of playback time, which is perfect for those last-minute rushes. For calls, the Sonoflow SE performs admirably. The mic array picks up voices clearly, making it suitable for both quiet and moderately noisy environments. Bluetooth 5.0 ensures stable connectivity, and the multi-point technology allows you to connect to 2 devices simultaneously, which is convenient for multitaskers. Now, let's discuss the companion app. It offers various features like battery level indicators, EQ adjustments, and listening modes. However, the app could use some improvement as it's prone to bugs and crashes, particularly with firmware updates and certain features like soothing sounds. If you're looking for affordable noise-canceling headphones that deliver on performance without breaking the bank, the One More Sonoflow SE headphones are definitely worth considering. They strike a good balance between features and price, making them a solid choice for budget-conscious consumers. That wraps up our review of the One More Sonoflow SE headphones. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.